Alright guys, today we're going to start this, if I can find this, there we go. Today we're going to start the trane air conditioner. This is called an air handler. You know, there's one of the inside units, like all the lines coming into the compressor from the outside, which behind the doors. This is down there is the evaporator core, and up there is the blower. Anyways, this is a trane. Model number. Let's see. 4TEP3F24A 10088. Serial number 525224441V. 1.1 horsepower motor. Pulls 170 amps. It requires 200 to 230 volts to run. One phase, 60 hertz. With the electric strip heat, with the electric strip heat, 24 volts, 60 hertz. It uses R one phase or three phase. It uses R410A refrigerant for 4800 psi. And here's let's see, I think these are the chart for wiring. I'm not quite sure the circuits. Here's the heater model number and caution, notice, warning, UL warning. And here's the inspirational treatment. As you can see, here's the disconnect box. And here's all the wires. Here's the refrigerant lines, wires, wire caps, drain, condensation drain, and yeah, that's just about it. Now let's go ahead and start it up. We're gonna call for the thermostat for cooling, and we're gonna start it up. Let's see. Put the camera right there. Hold on. Alright. I will turn it on real quick. I'm going to hit the thermostat. I will be right back. Alright. Kicked on just in time. I set the thermostat down to 68. That's the coldest it can get. So as you can see, the blower revs up. The blower is kicking up speed, so that's good. Here's the refrigerant lines. As you can hear, this thing is super quiet. Listen. You can feel it. That's kicking out some cold air. That's nice and cold. But anyways, let's go ahead and shut it down. Alright. And it's off. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick review of the Trane air conditioner and startup and shutdown of it. So if you have enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. If you haven't already, just tap on the bell to get notified for all of your new videos. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna say thank you for watching, and over and out.